Hello everyone and welcome to your third Photoshop tutorial, Understanding the Panels. In this tutorial, we will get to know about the different panels in Photoshop. So let's start. First up, what you see here is the color panel. Now the color panel over here is basically used to set up any color that as you can see, we can change the red, green and blue values like so, and you can see the result over here. If all are max, we will get white. If all are 0, we will get black. We can make any color from here, just like when we used to mix up the colors in real. For example, you take red watercolor, green watercolor and blue watercolor. When you mix them in different ratios, different colors will be born. In the same way, when we mix them in different ratios, different colors will come up. Below that, adjustment panel. Now since we don't have any document open, we have nothing to adjust. But when we would have any document open here, we will be able to add adjustments to that document. On its right is the masks panel. The masks panel helps us to control and make changes to our created masks. Now masks can be created through pen tool or other tools also. For now we will leave it. Let's come down to the layers panel. In this layers panel, all the layers will be contained. Now if you add any image or any media inside Photoshop, it will be constrained in a layer. Let's consider that you have a very thin, completely transparent piece of polythene. You keep that, you put some color on it, then you put another thin, transparent polythene on top of it, put some color on the second polythene, then put the third, put some color on the third. If you put them together and if you see, they will be seen as a single image, but they are broken up into 3 layers. So if you want to make changes to any part of the painting, you don't have to change the whole painting. You can just take the layer that you want to make changes in and you can make the changes in that specific layer. So Photoshop is a layer based program which helps it to be more user friendly. The next up on right to the layers is the channels panel. The channels panel contains the red, green and blue channel information of the selected layer. The path is somewhat same as the mask. Paths can be created using the pen tools and such, and its details will be here. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.